to the nation's capital, where the Nigerian Children's Parliament is asking the federal government to allocate the savings from petroleum subsidy removal towards enhancing access to quality education at all levels in the 2025 budget. Meanwhile, the Committee on Polytechnics and Other Technical Education has threatened sanctions against 5 federal polytechnics for neglecting invitations to present their budget performances. National Assembly correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
Mr. Speaker.
A mock plenary session presided over by the Deputy Speaker of the Children's Parliament, Ibrahim Zana, as part of activities for this year's National Children's Conference. A motion was raised on the urgent need by the Nigerian government to reinvest savings from the removal of petroleum subsidy into education, healthcare, infrastructure, and welfare of children for sustainable development.
This Honorable House resolves to 1. Urge the federal government to earmark and channel a substantial percentage of savings accrued from the removal of petroleum subsidy into importing and expanding access to quality education at all levels.
The Children's Parliament also advocated for the establishment of dedicated welfare programs to address the nutritional, psychological, and social needs of Nigerian children. Parliamentarians and other leaders spoke on the need for the Nigerian government to reposition its policies and prioritize the needs of the children.
Percentage of children that are out of school as we speak today in Nigeria is 1 child out of 3 children is out of school. This population constitutes about 15% of the world population of children that are out of school.
Sustainable development goals were developed by all the countries in the world. And they came together and they say, how do we build a world that will make us prospective and prosperous?
Elsewhere, the House Committee on Education issues a stern warning to 5 federal polytechnics, threatening to take drastic measures against them for failing to appear before it to scrutinize their records.
The rector of Federal Polytechnic in Abia State strode in single-handedly without no document or whatsoever saying he was coming for meeting with us. We assure this Polytechnic that relevant laws as empowered on us will be imposed on them.
Sections 89 and 129 of the Nigerian Constitution, as amended, empower the National Assembly to investigate, procure evidence, require the evidence to be given on oath, summon anyone to give evidence or produce documents, and issue a warrant to compel the attendance of any such witness. Joke Adisa.